there, beautiful souls! Welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in beauty and hair care. Today, we're tackling a common struggle for those of us blessed with luscious, thick locks, finding the perfect bobby pins that actually hold our hair in place without budging. Say goodbye to hair slipping out of place or pins snapping midday. We've done the research, and today we're sharing our top 5 bobby pins that are absolute game changers for those with thicker hair. Let's dive in! At number 1 position, we have Conair Bobby Hairpins. First up on our list is the Conair Bobby Hairpins, a household name in the world of hair accessories. These sleek and sturdy pins come in a variety of colors to match any hair type or style. Key features. Crafted from high-quality materials, these pins boast a strong grip that holds even the thickest of hair in place all day long. Plus, the unique design prevents slipping and sliding, keeping your style intact from morning till night. Benefits and usage. Say goodbye to constant readjusting. With Conair Bobby Hairpins, your hairstyle stays put, no matter what the day throws at you. Whether you're rocking a sleek bun or intricate updo, these pins are your secret weapon for flawless style every time. Usability. Perfect for everyday wear or special occasions, these versatile pins are a must-have in any hair care arsenal. Simply slide them into your desired hairstyle and lock them in place for a look that lasts. Durability. Constructed to withstand daily wear and tear, Conair Bobby Hairpins are built to last, ensuring you get plenty of mileage out of each pin in the pack. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Goody Bobby Pin. Next on our list is the Goody Bobby Pin, a trusted name in hair accessories for decades. These classic pins are beloved by hairstylists and everyday beauty enthusiasts alike for their reliability and performance. Key features. Crafted from durable materials, Goody Bobby Pins offer a secure hold without causing damage or breakage to your hair. Plus, the versatile design makes them suitable for a wide range of hairstyles and hair types. Benefits and usage. Whether you're creating a sleek ponytail or intricate braided style, Goody Bobby Pins have got you covered. Their lightweight construction makes them comfortable to wear all day long, while the tight grip ensures your hair stays in place no matter what. Usability. From everyday wear to special occasions, these pins are a staple in any hair care routine. Simply slide them into your desired hairstyle and secure them in place for a look that's both polished and practical. Durability. Designed to withstand repeated use, Goody Bobby Pins are built to last, ensuring you can rely on them time and time again for flawless styling results. The number 3 position is held by Diane Jumbo Bob Pins. Moving on to our next contender, we have the Diane Jumbo Bob Pins, a favorite among hairstylists and beauty enthusiasts alike. These oversized pins are perfect for securing thicker strands of hair with ease. Key features. With their extra-large size, Diane Jumbo Bob Pins offer unparalleled hold and stability, making them ideal for even the most elaborate hairstyles. Plus, the durable construction ensures they won't bend or break, even under pressure. Benefits and usage. Whether you're rocking a voluminous updo or intricate braided style, these pins provide the support you need to keep your hair in place all day long. Say goodbye to slipping and sliding. With Diane Jumbo Bob Pins, your style stays put. Usability. Perfect for thick hair or those with a lot of layers, these jumbo pins are a game changer for anyone who struggles to find bobby pins that can handle their mane. Simply slide them into your desired hairstyle and lock them in place for a look that lasts. Durability. Built to withstand the rigors of daily styling, Diane Jumbo Bob Pins are crafted from premium materials that are designed to last, ensuring you get plenty of mileage out of each pin. Next at number 4, we have Amish Valley Bobby Pin. Next up, we have the Amish Valley Bobby Pin, a hidden gem in the world of hair accessories. Handcrafted with care, these pins are as functional as they are beautiful. Key features. Crafted from high-quality materials, Amish Valley bobby pins offer a secure hold without causing damage or breakage to your hair. Plus, the elegant design adds a touch of sophistication to any hairstyle. Benefits and usage. Whether you're styling your hair for a casual day out or a formal event, these pins provide the support you need to keep your locks in place all day long. Their versatile design makes them suitable for a wide range of hairstyles and hair types. Usability. From sleek ponytails to intricate updos, these pins are a must-have in any hair care routine. Simply slide them into your desired hairstyle and secure them in place for a look that's both polished and practical. Durability. Handcrafted with care, Amish Valley bobby pins are built to last, ensuring you can rely on them time and time again for flawless styling results. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Scunchie Mini Bobby Pins. Last but certainly not least, we have the Scunchie Mini Bobby Pins, perfect for those with finer hair or anyone looking for a more delicate option. Don't let their size fool you. These pint-sized pins pack a powerful punch when it comes to holding your hair in place. Key features. Designed with precision, Scunchie Mini Bobby Pins offer a secure hold without weighing down your locks. Their petite size makes them perfect for creating intricate hairstyles or securing smaller sections of hair with ease. Benefits and usage. Whether you're rocking a half-up, half-down style or a sleek chignon, these mini pins provide the support you need to keep your hair looking flawless all day long. Plus, their discreet design means they blend seamlessly into any hairstyle. Usability. Perfect for on-the-go touch-ups or everyday wear, these mini pins are a must-have in any beauty arsenal. Simply slide them into your desired hairstyle and secure them in place for a look that's both polished and practical. Durability. Crafted from premium materials, Scunchie Mini Bobby Pins are built to last, ensuring you can rely on them for countless styling adventures without fear of breakage or damage. And there you have it, folks. Our top 5 bobby pins for thick hair that are sure to revolutionize your styling routine. Say goodbye to hair mishaps and hello to flawless locks that stay put all day long. Which bobby pin are you most excited to try? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. Until next time, stay fabulous!